This is a walkthrough of the '53 Telecaster. It's a really special guitar. It has a refinish by famed custom shop luthier Fred Stewart. It took almost a year and a half to get this finish back, but if you see the grain, you'll see it's well worth it. It's just an absolute beautiful, beautiful job that he's done restoring this guitar. The neck has also been refinished, slightly narrowed, right? Actually, significantly narrowed. You can wrap your hand completely around this. And the fingerboard, slightly scalloped, just tiny bit, perfectly scalloped. I'll turn it sideways. For fast playing. Single string tree. And a just wonderful, perfect restoration guitar.